I really was a hip-hop fan way before I decided I was a feminist. If I had $1 for every time a woman told me hip-hop was sexist, I'd be a very wealthy woman. If I had to give $1 for every time I asked someone, okay, so what are you doing about that image that you just saw? And they tell me nothing, I'd be like bankrupt. I didn't come to hip-hop solely as a means to discuss whether or not it's sexist or misogynist. You know, I came to hip-hop as a participant in the culture and a fan.
What is feminism and why are there so many misconceptions about what it is?
One, I think there's so many misconceptions about feminism because there are many, many definitions of feminism. Why? Because there are many, many different types of women.